How to download or play UFL Football on PlayStation, Xbox, and PC for free. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about acquiring UFL for the PlayStation and Xbox. So let's kick things off by simply launching your favorite web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and up top you will spot the search bar. In this box, simply input uflgame.com and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the specific page. At the upper right hand corner of the screen, you will find the download option, and upon clicking on it, any two selections will pop up, that is PlayStation and Xbox. Opt for the PlayStation if you wish to download UFL for the PlayStation, and you will then be brought to a particular page. There you will encounter the Add to Library option. Click on it and followed by Sign In, that is highlighted in blue color. Provide your credentials and log in into your account. Provide your credentials and logging into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, click on Create an Account option and follow the on-screen instructions. You will land on a page where you can access the game UFL. Install the game and have a blast. Similarly, if you pick the Xbox option from the drop-down menu, you will be taken to a different page. You will see the Get Free option. Click on it and then proceed to sign in. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and log in. If you don't have an account yet, create one, and congratulations, UFL will now be accessible on your Xbox. So that's how you can smoothly snag UFL for the PlayStation and Xbox. As of now, UFL isn't available for the PC. If that changes in the future, I'll make sure to keep you all in a loop. So that's a wrap for the video. If you found it helpful, show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.